Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 40, Reproduction in Animals. Today we will learn about metamorphosis. We all know that animals such as human, lions, cat, dog all produce young ones that resembles their parents at the time of birth. But did you know that there are few organisms that produce young ones that do not resemble with their parents? The new individuals which are born or hatched from the eggs continue to grow till they become adults. In some animals, the young ones may look very different from the adult. Can you name them? Recall the life cycle of silkworm which you have learned in class 7th. Silkworm lays egg grows into larva or caterpillar develop into pupa and then pupa convert into adult silk, moth or silkworm. We see that caterpillar or pupa of silkworm look very different from the beautiful adult moth. The features that are present in the adults are not found in these young ones. Means in caterpillar or pupa stage of life cycle. Frog is another such example. In this worksheet, now we will discuss life cycle of frog. Life cycle of frog consists of 3 different stages. First one is egg. Egg grows into tadpole and tadpole grows into adult frog. There are 4 pictures are given to you. In this, the life cycle of frog is shown to you. These are the eggs of frog. Eggs of frogs are covered by a membrane and it is float on the water surface. Then from egg, tadpole is developed. This one is earlier stage of tadpole and second one is later stage of tadpole. The egg hatch to produce the larval stage of frog which is known as tadpole. The tadpoles have tail and fins just like fishes. They are able to swim in water like fishes. So they look very different from the frog or adult organism. Now the tadpole grows into adult frog that loses tail and fins. At the time of grow into the adult frog, tadpole loses tail and fins and is capable of jumping and swimming. Thus, we can say the transformation of larva into an adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. So, this process by which tadpole transform or converted into adult frog through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. What about the changes that we observe in our body as we grow? Do you think we do undergo metamorphosis? Certainly not. In human beings, body parts similar to those parents in the adults are present at the time of birth. So we can say that metamorphosis is not seen among the human beings. Now we will discuss question answer. Your first question is define metamorphosis. Give 2 examples. So you can give 2 examples. Define metamorphosis. What do you mean by metamorphosis? Transformation of the larva into the adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis, or two examples are silk moth and frog. Second example is frog. Explain in short the life cycle of silk moth. The female silk moth lays egg from which hatch larvae, and which are called caterpillar or silkworms. Soon the caterpillar completely covers itself by silk fibers and turns into pupa. This covering is known as cocoon. The further development of the pupa into moth continues inside the cocoon, or you can understand or you can explain this growing of adult silkworm by the pictures. These are the eggs of silkworm, which silkworm lays egg on mulberry leaves, then it is grow into caterpillar. The body structure of caterpillar is like a small insect. Then it is converted into pupa. Pupa is a ball of protein threads, or these protein which hardens the exposure to the air and becomes silk fiber. Then it is grows into or transform into adult silkworm or silk moth. Next question is, does the metamorphosis occur in human beings? Explain. In human beings, metamorphosis does not occur because in human beings, body parts similar to those present in the adult are present from the time of birth. Thanks for watching.